Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G56, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you'll want to find your toggle for the Do Not Disturb mode, which you can see it right at the front when you swipe down. It should be visible somewhere right here. You can swipe twice to extend the list if that makes it easier for you. And when you see it, you can hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function. Additionally, you can also change what happens when you enable it. By default, it will run indefinitely in the background. I personally like to select it on a timer, which means that when I enable it, after 4 hours, as it's right now chosen, it will automatically turn itself off, which gives me the peace of mind that even if my smooth brain forgets about it, the phone will remember. Now you have also other things in here, which, like I said, you can go over. Once you've customized them, just close this up and then find the toggle whenever you want to enable it and tap on it. Now you can also choose schedule, so this would mean that the mode would turn itself on and off automatically based on your specified day of the week and start and end time. But for the purpose here, I'm just showing manual ones, so tap on it again to turn it off. Now, with that being said, hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.